Hey there, thanks for watching my Badass Bonuses review by Digital Dames, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy, and any problems that I see with it. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to see how we do it. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. So BadAss Bonuses says that they have cracked the code. They never worry about making money online. Copy and paste push button system that makes them over $882 in affiliate commissions every day, working no more than 30 minutes a day. They do have some bullet points on the right, but none of those really tell us anything about the product. As usual, if we scroll down quite a bit, they start to talk to us about traffic conversions and sales and what they discovered. And if we keep going, they say bonuses turn people from browsers to buyers, and that you should think of bonuses as sweeteners. Finally, if we go down just a little bit further, this is what BadAss Bonuses is. BadAss Bonuses is an entire bonus collection. It's the very same ones that the Digital Dames used to generate thousands in affiliate commissions. They think of them as incentives which marketers use to make people want to make a purchase. So let's take a look. Here on the BadAss Bonuses dashboard, when you come in, you automatically go to the Welcome to the BadAss Bonuses section. There is an introduction and overview, and then you see 4 magic buttons. The first one is training from Jono Armstrong they want you to sign up for. The second one is a $97 upsell with one-on-one coaching. Magic button number 3 is an invitation to their Facebook group, which currently has 343 members. And we also have an Instagram invitation, which currently has 15 members. So they're trying to start building their community here and make a little bit of extra money off of you. In the full-blown 2021 MMO Badass Courses section, there are 28 courses in here that they give you access to. One of those is Maeve, which is a previous product of theirs, as well as Xena and Cleopatra. So we know they have their products in here, as well as a bunch of other products that they promote to make money off of. Now, when I did my review on their previous product, Maeve, we knew there were the BadAss bonuses in there. And if you click this button, it is a $17 upsell. So there's nothing new about these bonuses. They have just given them their own product and their own price. The next section is your mini MMO BadAss tutorials. This first section is actually a webinar that they put out with a Q&A section on Xena. And then parts 1, 2, 3, and 4 are really the bulk of this, about how to put a bonus page together using everything in here as bonuses. Each video they have in here actually corresponds to one of the products that they were promoting at the time. So they are trying to show you how to put these together, but it actually goes backwards. So the most recent one is part 1 and the oldest one is part 4. So it seems like it's put together a little bit backwards. So the training is kind of all over the place. It's not a linear training strategy. A lot of the information is in there, but you really have to kind of parse it out. And if you are a newbie affiliate marketer, it's very hard to know which ones of these are good ideas and which ones are not. A little bit further down in here, if you click on there, you notice they are actually YouTube videos. So if you click on these, you can go through to their YouTube channel and actually watch these videos without having to pay for them. If they are able to be embedded, you could actually use these as bonuses without buying their BadAss bonus product. In the next few sections, they break them down by what the bonus actually is. This one is for traffic. This one is for affiliate training. We have monetization, fast action, and the last one is their upgrades. So what's the strategy here with Digital Dames? They believe that providing better value than the other guy is giving bonuses away with the product. And that if your bonuses are better than the other guy's bonuses, they will buy from you. So they want you to use whatever in here that you possibly can as your congruent, branded, unique bonus with your affiliate offer to make you money. But what I see when I come in here is a bunch of stuff that they have put together throughout their affiliate marketing journey and they're just packaging them all together. And instead of giving it away as value or information, they're actually charging you for it. Some of the problems that I see with this are that it's going to take hours and hours and hours to go through all of this training. I've been at this at least 8 hours today, and I am nowhere near done with all of the bonuses that are in here. So just to be familiar with this, you will need to know what's in here. Even in one of these videos, as she's trying to put a bonus page together, she's not sure what's in here. She takes some time flipping through over and about. They do give you a search option, but it's not 100%. So it could be a lot of time flipping through here to find what it is, know where it is, and how to use it when you need it. Now, I often talk about our shiny object checklist. So today I actually wanted to show you guys that. With this checklist, if you're interested in it, we do have a link in the description below, so feel free to head on down there. But if a sales page ticks 5 or more of these checkboxes, then there's an exceedingly good chance it is a shiny object. And if we look at some of the products that they are trying to get us to promote or to join over here, out of the 5 I chose to run through my shiny detector checklist, all 5 of them failed, including their previous product, Maeve. Screenshots of profit, selling a lifestyle or dream, fake countdown, promises of guaranteed rewards, and they also tell us to take sales pages with a pinch of salt. In making these bonus pages, part of the training is for you to go through the sales page and take bits and pieces of the sales page to make your offer page. So they really rely on sales pages and take them for what they say. That is not what our training says. So we're really looking at just 2 different types of providing value. Neither one is right and neither one is wrong. There is a way that I want to do business and there are ways that other people do business. It's up to you what you choose to do. In my research, I did find an article with a wonderful quote from David Zhang of Wise Merchant. This is about how affiliate marketing methods have changed. Affiliates are notorious for doing quick, short-term strategy. So to survive, they need to start building assets like a real business. The only difference is that you don't have to deal with products. It's getting harder and harder to do gray or black hat and spammy marketing strategies. So now you can cut less and less corners the more sophisticated different traffic platforms become. In the future, I see people building more assets such as email lists or blog rather than quick churn and burn strategies, or else it won't be sustainable to even get into affiliate marketing. So what's a churn and burn strategy? I don't often use forums as a source, but in this particular case, it had the question and the answer that I thought best represented what I was trying to say. This is on the Warrior Forum, and it says list building, churn and burn, or relationship building first, and why. Sim V came back with a really well thought out response. He says there are those email marketers who just see their list as a way to pay their bills, and there are those who are all about wanting to help others. The help others build a relationship with their customers and provide value. The email marketers who churn and burn are the ones who see the dollar signs when they have lots of subscribers on their list. They will send you up to 4 emails in one day, and they are the ones that have lists of several thousands of people, which they have more than likely attained through solo ad, list swaps, YouTube, etc. Of all these thousands of people on the list, they will very likely get 100 or so opens, and half of those opens, even fewer clicks and or sales, relatively speaking. So the pros of a churn and burn is that money is a lot faster and you don't need to quote unquote kiss up to your list so much. You don't have to constantly be racking your brain to come up with good content. You can easily get more people onto your list as you have unsubscribes because you don't care who unsubscribes. In fact, you actually want unsubscribes because then you can add more people to your list to rinse and repeat or churn and burn. The cons of churning and burning are spam complaints and autoresponder accounts getting shut down, and you mostly end up on junk email accounts. As for the helpers, they're actually the turtles in the race of email marketing. They realize that this is going to be slow and it's going to build. They are the ones who send you the resourceful emails and give you tips and tricks, make videos for you, and actually answer your questions when you email them. Every now and then they'll send you a promotion with an affiliate link, and the helpers usually build their list by selling cheap website offers full of value, a banner ad on someone else's download page, Sigfell, and sometimes even by selling their own product. For some, this works and they make a good living, but we've also seen people who have done this with no success. So there's pros and cons to that as well. And the pros are that you get more opens and clicks, which can mean more sales. Your list likes you, and they may even look forward to hearing from you, and you get fewer unsubscribes. You promote less stuff, but you make more sales when you do. And when you create your own products, your list goes crazy and almost all of them buy it. No spam complaints and autoresponder accounts getting shut down. And the cons with providing value and being a helper is that it takes a lot longer than a churn and burn to be profitable. That's just true. You can't just send anything that comes down the pike off of Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank. You have to be selective as to what you send out, and you have to be careful when you communicate with your list. His final thought was, while the churn and burners look like they're having more fun, he thinks in the long run he would prefer to be a helper. For him, it looks good on the self-assessment. That was about the easiest way to explain churn and burn versus relationship building and providing value. And I also found another article on grovehq.com about relationship marketing and how you can use it to grow your business. So if relationship marketing is something that you're interested in, you can turn existing customers into brand advocates. So new relationships are always exciting, and the business kind are no exception. Your new customers are thrilled to have found a great solution, and you're excited about your business growth. The issue is that many companies, especially the ones in their early stages, think they have more growth opportunity focusing on new customers instead of current ones, which sometimes churn and burn does tend to focus on their new customers more. They're not really concerned with keeping their customers. So this means throwing existing customers on the back burner as soon as they've gotten on board. Unfortunately, placing most of your energy into acquiring instead of retaining current customers will create an acquire, churn, and burn cycle that will cost you a lot. And acquiring new customers will cost you 5 times more than keeping existing ones. So it can be a lot of wasted money. Investing more time in nurturing existing relationships is definitely something that will pay off in the long run. The key to any happy, healthy, and lasting relationship is providing a human touch, an experience that in the era of chatbots is a rather rare delight. By doing this, you'll fulfill their additional need for an outstanding experience. If we look at an article on our website, Affiliate Marketing Informant, here in the 10 affiliate marketing strategies for beginner success in 2020 and 2021, the number one thing Kim tells us is to focus on value, not money. We definitely preach and train the relationship building aspect of affiliate marketing, not the money and churn and burn aspect of affiliate marketing. If this is something that you guys are interested in, you have all of the opportunities to view any of our free checklists, free training, any of our reviews, any of the blog posts we have done. These are free. You can come on here at any time and check these out. If you have a question, guys, just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Leave a comment and Kim or I will get back to you as soon as we can. Let's look at the rest of the pricing. On the front end, Maeve is going to be $17. There is a collection of 80 done-for-you bonuses, and they do give you full rights. It includes tutorials, software, and template made by them. OTO number 1 is advanced training at an extra $47. The second bullet point is how to choose the right bonuses for your campaign. I really feel like that should have been in the front end, not an additional $50 upsell, but that's just me. OTO number 2 is $97. OTO number 3 is going to be $37. This one is 2 simple tweaks that continue to transform campaigns without any heavy lifting or extra work. Again, that just seems like it would be in the front end for this. OTO number 4 is going to be $67, and there are free traffic hacks. This one actually tells you there's a benefit for 2 billion subscribers. I have found in doing reviews that is usually going to be talking about WhatsApp or YouTube or Instagram. So it is a social media method of some sort to attract extra traffic. All total, your BadAss bonuses from beginning to end are going to run you $265. Guys, if you're a newbie and you just need some kind of bonus material, For $17, this has a lot of material in it that you can repurpose and repackage and resend out. If that's something you're looking for, this isn't horrible to have with 80 different things in it. But if you are actually looking for training on how to put all these pieces together and how to do this, BadAss Bonuses is not going to do it for you. The training that I got when I signed up to get my shiny object syndrome through the instant access link in our description below is free for the first 10 steps. It is over the shoulder training and they do walk you right through it. It's definitely honest and ethical, and it's down there for free for you guys. Please do not waste your time or your money on BadAss Bonuses if you actually want to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing and promoting products with affiliate links. Guys, if this video helped you out, please give me a like, subscribe to see when our next video comes out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.